Hello all, my name is Rahul and welcome to this session on Java language. In this video, we will try to understand patterns program in Java. So let's get started. So guys, the agenda of this video is to understand about the basic patterns like how to print square, rectangle with the different combination like with the numbers, with the letters and with the stars. And in next video, we will talk about advanced pattern like how to print any triangle or reverse triangle again with the different combinations like numbers, letters and stars. And in the last video of this playlist or of this pattern session, we will try to understand real-time patterns like how to print swastik or any name. It could be your own name or it could be Java or Rahul in your command prompt or console section. So guys, before starting with the patterns program, I would like to tell you this. We have a prerequisites in order to proceed with patterns program. The first one is basic class declaration and main method declaration. You should know how to write the class in Java. Second thing would be you should know about for loop or while loop or if statement. If you have not watched the video, I have created a full-fledged with the real-time examples, so you can refer, for if statement you can refer 15, for while and do while you can refer lecture number 18, and for loop you can refer, lecture number 19. So I have discussed everything, all the possible points in these videos. And the link I have added in the description box panel, so you can go and you can watch by hitting on the link. And if you don't know how to write basic Java code, then in that case you can go and you can just refer lecture number 5 and lecture number 6. All the possible scenarios I have discussed in these all videos, so you can watch this video and you can get the benefits out of it. So without any delay, let's start. So we were talking about prerequisites. So definitely you should have knowledge on basic how to write class. Second thing would be you should know how to use for loop, do while loop or while loop, and also the if statement in Java language. If you have enough knowledge on these all things, then you will be able to write your own Java pattern. So guys, for basic pattern, I have created a document, and this document I have added in the description box panel. So you can go and you can download this and you can start practicing at your end. So guys, the use case of for loop is very simple. If you want to print the same thing again and again, then in that case we always go for loop. Let me give an example. I want to print 4 star, right? So if you want to print 4 star, let's say I'm new to Java, then what I will do is let me go to Eclipse and show you. So I'm going to launch Eclipse. Okay, so Eclipse is here now. I will try to create one package over here. So for that, I will have to create a project and I'll just say pattern magic, right? This is my project name. I'll click on finish and I will have to create class. So I'm not going to create any package over here. I'll just do right click on the src folder and I'll just create class directly and I'll just say pattern 1. Okay, this is my first class. I'll use public static void main and I'll just click on finish. Now guys, our question is what? We want to print this type of pattern in Java language. So instead of star, you can also say, 1, 1, 1, something like that, or 2, 2, 2, right? So let's understand how we can print this type of pattern in Java. So if you are new to Java, then what you will do, you will say system.out.println and here I'll just say star. Again, I'll copy the same thing and I'll paste it for how many times? 4 times, right? Now, if you just save it and try to run your code, you will get output in vertical way. You can see this, but our output should be in horizontal way, right? So for that, guys, if you are not aware of, I have discussed all the parameters related to print and println in this session. So you can go and you can watch this video and the link I have added in the description box panel. So here, if I just remove println, because println what it does, println is like /n is what? /n is, this is escape sequence in Java language and this will take you to the next line. So here I will have to use what? Print and not the ln. Now if I just try to run my code, I will get output as star 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 4 times in my console section like this. But again guys, this is a normal program. What if I want to print this type of pattern? Let's say star star star, again here star 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 star, and in the next line also I want to print the same thing. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it. So if I want to print this thing, then in that case you will have to again copy and paste the same code how many times? For again 8 more times. So guys, this is not recommended at all. So in order to overcome on it, what we have for loop concept in Java language. So let's understand how it works. Firstly, we will try to understand how we can print this star in one line for 4 times using the Java code. For this, what you will have to do is you don't have to enter this for 4 times. Just remove these all things and start using for loop. So the declaration is very simple. You just have to say 4, and inside it the first would be what? Your declaration or initialization. So I'll just say int I equals to 1, right? And over here you just have to put one semicolon, and over here you will have to enter your condition. So I'll just say it should be I equals to 4, because I want to print star for how many times? For 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And after this you just have to say I plus plus, because we will have to use the update expression. Once you are done with the declaration initialization inside the for loop, after that you just have to use your retrieval statement, that is system.out.println. If I just say system.out.println and try to run my code, I will get this in what? Vertical way, but I want it in horizontal way. You will have to remove N from the println, and you will get your output like this. So guys, in the previous program, what we did, we copied and pasted the same thing for 4 times, but in this case I just used for loop and I got my output in command prompt in console section. Let's try to understand the logic, how it works. So if you can see here, the declaration and initialization of I is what? 1 over here. Now it will go and check for the condition. Is 1 less than equals to 4? Yeah, this is true. If this is true, it will get inside the loop and it will check for the retrieval statement. Now here I have said what? Print. If you have said print, it means it will first print the star and the cursor will be here itself. It will not go to the next line, because I have said print and not the println. It will again go to the for loop and it will go and check what is the next value of I. So I will get incremented to 2, right? Here I value is what? It is 2 now. Now it will go and check for the condition. Is 2 less than equals to 4? Yeah, this is true. If this is true, again it will go to this and it will print the star. Where? It will print the star here itself, because the cursor was here earlier, right? So it will print the star over here and this cursor will be here itself. Again, the value will get incremented to 3. Again, it will check for the condition. Is 3 is equals to less than equals to 4? Yeah, this is true. Again, cursor was here, so it will print the star value. Increment the value to 4 and it will check for the condition. Is 4 is less than equals to 4? This statement is again true, so it will print the star here. Again, the value will get increased to 5. Now, it will check for the condition. Is 5 less than equals to 4? This is not a true statement. If this is not a true, then it will terminate the loop and you will get your output printed in your console section. In same way, if you want to print this pattern like, star, in next line star, in next line star, in next line star. So instead of that, you just have to use println. So how this works? Again, it will check for the same condition. 1 is less than equals to 4. It will print the value like star. Cursor will not be here because I have used ln. It means next line. So cursor will move to the next line. Cursor will move to the next line like this, and it will be here. It will be here. Again, it will check for the next condition. 2 is less than equals to 4. Yeah, this is true. Again, it will print the star here. And you will get star in a vertical way like this. You can see. It will print first star. Cursor will go here. It will print the second star. Cursor will go to the third line. It will print the third star. Again, cursor will go here. It will print the fourth line. Again, it will check for the condition. Is 5 less than equals to 4? No, this is not a true condition or true statement. It will terminate the loop and you will get your output printed in your console section. In same way, if you want to print 1, like 1, 1, 1 in a same line or 1, 1, 1 in a vertical line, so you just have to put 1 over here and you will get this value printed in your console section. This is how we print one-dimensional pattern in Java program. If you want to print two-dimensional pattern, what does two-dimensional pattern mean? So in order to give you more clarity, I have taken a table over here. If you can see here, this what we can say is this is one row and this is second row. This is first column and this is second column, right? Now in order to print two-dimensional pattern in Java, what we take is we take two for loop, or I can say that as nested for loop. One for loop will be for the rows and second for loop will be for the column. Let's go to the Eclipse and try to understand this. So I'll just remove these all things from here. Now let's understand how we can print that in command prompt or console section. So for that I'll take one video. For that I'll take a for loop and I'll just declare this as int equals to 1, int I equals to 1 over here, and the value would be I should be less than equals to 2 and then I plus plus. So this is my first for loop, right? Inside it I'll take another for loop. Here I'll just say int j equals to 1, j should be less than equals to 2 and then j plus plus. Now what exactly we want to print? So we want to print south and star. So here you will have to use what? Print and not the println. Now after this I will just say south and I'll just say system.out.println. Now let's understand why we had to enter system.out.println after the inner for loop. So guys, this is what we call outer for loop, or we can say this row loop. This is what we call inner for loop or column loop, you can say this. Now let's understand the logic behind this. So this is the first for loop, right? So if the first for satisfies your condition, then only it will go to the inner loop and it will check for the condition and it will print the value. Now over here, if you just see the outer for loop, what the value we have, I equals to 1. Now it will check for the condition. Is 1 less than equals to 2? Yeah, 1 is less than equals to 2. This is true. If this is true, it will go to the inner for loop and it will check for the condition. Now here, what is the value we have? We have j equals to 1. So it will check for the value. So here what we have, if this is true, it will get inside this and it will print the first value. So it will print the value like star over here. Now cursor is here, right? Cursor is here. Now again it will go to this loop and it will check for another condition. So it will check is 2 less than equals to 2. Yeah, again this is true. If this is true, cursor was here. So it will print another star. It will go and check for the another condition. Is 3 is less than equals to 2? No, this is not a true statement. If this is not true, it will exit from this and it will execute this line. And this line, it means what? It will take cursor to the next line like this and cursor will be here. Again, it will go to the for loop. It will check for another condition. So here, the I value will get incremented to 2. Earlier it was 1. Now we have used I++, so it will increase the value. Now, what is the value of I we have? 2 is less than equals to 2. Again, this is true statement. If this is true, it will go and check the condition here. Now again, it will start from the 1. Is 1 is less than equals to 2? Yeah, this is true. If this is true, it will print star over here. Because cursor was here, right? Because of this retrieval statement. Again, is 2 is less than equals to 2? Yeah, this is again true. If this is true, again it will print star over here. Now it will check, is 3 less than equals to 2? No, this is false. If this is false, it will exit the loop. Again, it will take the cursor to the next line like this over here and it will go and check this outer loop condition. So outer loop value will get increased to 3 and it will check, is 3 less than equals to 2? No, this is not a true statement. If this is not true, it will terminate the loop and it will print the value like this. So let me try to run my code and show you the output. So you will get output like this. So guys, this is how we print the value in the command prompt or console section using this. If you have multiple numbers, let's say I want to print like this. So in this case, what you will have to do, what is the value of row? We have a value of row is 2, right? And what is the value of j? J value will be 3, like this. So if you want to print this type of pattern, then you just have to use, you just have to increase basically the number of columns, and after that you just have to run your command and you will get patterns like this. So guys, this is very easy and important. And this document I have created for different patterns, and the document I have added in the description box panel. So if you want, you can watch the video and you can, download this document as well. Hope you like this video and thank you for watching. If you like this, please do like, share and subscribe. And for any help, you can let us know on my email address, and that is codespark567@gmail.com, and the email ID is visible on the screen. Wish you a very happy new year, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Take care.